Alright guys, welcome back to Fadi's kitchen. Today we're gonna be diving into one of my favorite traditional meals, teasets with green. The reason why it's my favorite is because it's actually packed with delicious flavors, nutritional ingredients, and which is a staple in many African homes. Let's get right into it. First and first, I'm gonna get our proteins ready. So here I got my meat, smoked fish, dry fish, and fresh fish for that perfect combination of flavors. After washing everything thoroughly, I'm gonna add my fresh and dry fish to the meat alongside with some blended ginger, garlic, and the onions. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, which you can add any seasonable cubes of your choice if you want. Then place it on fire and let it steam. Whilst that is cooking, let's move on to the veggies. Alright guys, now it is time to prepare our green soup. I'm gonna start by washing and cutting my okra into small pieces, and then I'm gonna wash my ayoyo leaves, carefully plucking them from the stem. Once the water on the fire is boiling, I'm gonna add just a pinch of bitter salt, which will help season the okra, and you may not add it if you want. And followed by the okra. After letting it cook for a bit, I'm gonna add my ayoyo leaves and cover it up, allowing everything to boil together. Once the okra and ayoyo have softened, I'm gonna stir until they are perfectly mixed, and then add my powdered fish and dawa, which is a nutritional ingredient in this. I'm gonna stir everything together and let it boil until it is cooked to perfection. But do not let it overcooked, whereby you're gonna lose the nutritional content of the green. While our soup is coming together, let's move on to the sauce. In a separate pan, I'm gonna heat some red oil and add chopped onions along with some more dawa. Once the onions are golden, I'm gonna add my blended tomatoes and pepper, letting everything steam up until it is nicely cooked down. I'm gonna add our steamed meat, mixed in some seasonable cubes of your choice and a bit more salt. Let it all cook together. There you have it. Now on to the teaset. I'm gonna start by boiling some water. Whilst that is heating up, I'm gonna mix some maize flour with a little cold water to form a smooth mix, and then slowly pour it into the boiling water, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Once that is well combined, I'm gonna allow it to boil for a while. After then, I fetch some into a separate pan, and then I'm gonna start by adding my konkonte and more maize flour in small quantities, stirring until it all comes together into a smooth form and starchly consistently. And here we have our teaset. Alright guys, I think it is time for us to serve our teaset with green. I can't actually wait to taste this delicious meal.